All right, Candace, here goes. You've been bugging me. Now today we're going to do it. All right, so I'm at KFC, and I'm an original recipe kind of guy, and you've been bugging me for the longest time. Oh, you got to do extra crispy. I'm not an extra crispy guy, but I'm open-minded, so I'm going to do it. So what you see here is on one side you see original recipe, which is my jam, a drumstick and a thigh, and on the other side you see extra crispy, a drumstick and a thigh. Now, to not pollute the water, so to speak, I'm going to do the extra crispy first. I'm going to grab my first piece is a thigh, extra crispy, and we're going in. Let's check this bad boy out. It is very good. Now, regardless of extra crispy or original, there's no mistaking those secret 11 herbs and spices. A few weeks ago, I went to Corbin, Kentucky on my pilgrimage, and I toured the original KFC. They have a museum and restaurant, and it was really quite an experience. Now, I'm not going to lie, the flavors, it's a little bit better than I remember the last time I had extra crispy. All right, so that was the original crispy. Original crispy. That was the extra crispy. Now I'm doing original recipe. Okay, the flavor should be the same, just the texture is going to be a little different. Delicious. I'm a big KFC fan. How many people do you know that actually went to Corbin, Kentucky to tour the original KFC? I bet not too many. So there you have it. One extra crispy, one original. And my verdict? Kind of 50-50. I like them both. So, as a result of this, Candace, thank you for this. I may alternate when I come, because I come to KFC frequently, I may alternate between original recipe and extra crispy. I like them both. So there you have it. The extra crispy or original recipe argument, as far as I'm concerned, has been solved. I like them both equally now, which is more than I would have said before doing the video. So, Candace, thank you.